In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Splatoon 2 data to a new Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to transfer your Splatoon 2 data or any other Splatoon game or games overall to a new Nintendo Switch console, follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. So first, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer from the Switch 1 to the Switch 2, and then how to do it if you are still in the same generation of consoles, so if you are transferring from a Switch 1 to another Switch 1 model. First, if you are going to be transferring to the Switch 2, go to the settings, so from the home screen choose settings, and if you go to the system tab and you go all the way down, you will find system transfers to Nintendo Switch 2. If you don't see this option, make sure that you are running the latest version of the firmware, so check for any sort of software update on the Nintendo Switch. Now, once you choose this option here to transfer to the Switch 2, they will give you instructions on what to do. Data from this console will be transferred to a Nintendo Switch 2 console. In order to perform the transfer, you will need an internet connection and a Nintendo account. So once everything is ready, choose Next and follow the instructions on screen. You will need a Nintendo Switch 2 close by, so go to the setup steps and you will be able to choose the option to transfer from the console. So the data from the Switch 1 will be sent to the Nintendo servers, and consequently it is going to be sent over to the Nintendo Switch 2, including your Splatoon data. So everything is going to be available on the cloud and the Nintendo Switch 2 will retrieve it. Now, if you are going to be transferring between the same consoles, you can find Splatoon 2, choose the settings, so from the home screen highlight Splatoon, go over to data management and then transfer your saved data. This will allow you to transfer from one console to the other, and it is useful if you are transferring between a Nintendo Switch 1 to a Nintendo Switch 1. But of course, this should also work with Nintendo Switch 2. So now you select Send Save Data to another console. You will choose Splatoon if it isn't already selected. And once Splatoon has been selected, you will be able to confirm Send Save Data. On the console where you will be receiving the data, you go to the Data Management settings. So you open the System settings, go to Data Management, choose Transfer Save Data, and then Receive instead of Sending. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Splatoon 2 data to new Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.